And this is an up close look at the lace and everything. Like I said, it comes with a pre-cut lace and visible knots. So that's why you guys can't see any knots. And it's pre-bleached, like they bleached it for you. You see that? No matter where you pull the hair, like it's giving scalp all the way throughout. And you could, of course, do parting space. Matter of fact, let me show you guys the parting space up here before I go. So you get all of this on the side. Like, hello. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, you get all of that. Like, you know, it's just like a frontal. It's really crazy, honestly. Like, really feeling this one. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then my baby hairs, if you want to like pull your hair back or do like 2 ponytails or something, you could do like a little ponytail right there. It's just bomb. What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker. We're just gonna get straight into this unit and I love it. It also comes with bleach knots. So y'all see the knots is already given. It's not over bleached or nothing like that. We'll perfect the part and do it up. But yeah, so this is a unit in all its glory. It's so pretty. The curls are just amazing. Love the curls to this unit. I'm not sure on the inches for this one, but we'll get into that later. This is not your average closure unit because look how much space it has. Oh my god, it's so much space in the front. I want to say this is a 7-inch closure unit. But yeah, look at all of that space. Like I said, it's pre-bleached and it comes with the baby hair. So I'm gonna apply it with the baby hairs that they have in here, just so you guys can see like how it would come straight out of the box for you. But before we get into that, we're gonna go ahead and put some makeup on this lace just to help match me a little bit better. So I'm just using this old NARS foundation and this makeup brush. So I'm just gonna put some of that foundation on the back of my hand like that, a pea size amount. And then we're going to dab our brush in that. You can spin it around, whoop-de-whoop, like that. And then you just want to take your lace. So what makes it easier for me is to just flip the unit inside out. That just makes it easier for me like that. And then I just go around the perimeter mainly. So right where, you know, your edges are gonna be. That's where I like to focus majority of this instead of going like all over, because you really don't need it all over unless you're trying to do like some crazy parting or whatever. But yeah, very simple. You see that pea size amount goes a long way. And then I just do it down the middle because that's where the actual part is. So it should look something like that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the unit on, and I just have it like kind of towards back because I'm gonna just pretty much put it on like how you putting the hat on, girl. So yeah, you see the adjustable strap here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this unit on. Boop. Literally that simple, that easy. So as you guys can see, it does have the baby hairs in here, and this is a closure, but look how far over the lace goes. It almost goes like the whole way. So I'm actually really impressed by that. And then these are the baby hairs that are in the unit. We'll freshen them up a little bit, but I think they do a pretty good job. So if you don't know how to do baby hairs and stuff, they put it in here for you. The laces like that. Now for me, a lot of these glueless units tend to be bigger on me. That's why the lace is not laying down properly. As you guys can see, like even though this is a glueless unit and I like pulled it down, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like the lace is like up. It's not like flat like that. So and I made it like as tight as it can be for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and still use an adhesive to like put this unit down. But if you have a normal size head, you can definitely do a glueless install with this. But for me, like, it's not giving glueless right now. Like, y'all see all right there, I ain't even gotta touch it. So this is what it looks like. This is the Wonder Lace Bond, and this is the this is an extreme firm hold. My melting spray, it has a lot of buildup right here, so it's not gonna like spray normally, and I actually don't like spraying it like that anyway, because I need to control where this product goes. I don't want to just spray it all over the place. So I always use an applicator brush like this. This is usually what you would use to like stir up your bleach or to like apply color to hair. This is what you typically use, but I use these to like apply my units or whatever. So what I like to do is I just put some like on the edge here. Okay, just put some on the edge of this brush. I'm literally just taking this out of the bottle and just applying it right onto here, and then do that to both sides. And then make sure you have your blow dryer on standby, because you're gonna need it. So when I do this, I like to tilt my head back, because if you have your head forward, this is very watery, so it's just gonna slide down your face and like mess up your makeup. If you don't wear makeup, then you don't have to worry about that, but yeah. So tilting my head back, I'm just gonna dab a little line across my hairline, like so. And do it all the way down, because you see this lace comes all the way down here. And then if we need more afterwards, we can always add more, right? And I like to do at least like 2 layers of this. The more layers you do, the stronger it's gonna be. So, you know, 2 to 3 layers is usually best. So yeah, same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And you see how neat it is when you just use an applicator brush versus just like spraying it on your face and then having it just run everywhere. And then when you pull this down, pull it down as far, oh, that kind of went perfectly. Okay. And do one side at a time. Say, baby, if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. So with this part, I'm gonna add some water, because it's just a little frizzy up here. And then that'll help like really tame everything. Okay. And as y'all can see, it's already like a part here, so I'm just kind of going off of what they gave me. But it do not be straight in real life. It's like the perfect unit if you're in a rush and you need to go, but you want a new unit, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to wear none of your old units, but you want something new. You want a closure, like something you can just put on real quick, but it's still low-key like giving frontal vibes, which I really like about it. And look how pretty it is in its dry state. Like, it's so pretty. I don't even want to wet it up too much, because I don't want to change it up too much. Like, y'all know me, I don't even style wigs out of the box. Like, I definitely bleach and wash every unit that I get, like, but this is just one of them units that is just ready to go for you, especially like if you just don't know how to do hair. Like, it's just the perfect unit. And so while we right here and we doing this, let's go ahead and work on the baby hairs that they put in here already. At any time you cut your baby hair, do it in an angle, so like this part over here should be shorter than this part over here. And you see, like, since it's already done. Boom, we got that done. You see that? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna change my clothes and then show you guys the finished results when the hair is dry and everything. It's pre-made for you, pre-done for you, so you could do it up. Let's play a little just between you and gotta use your mind. We can be robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My big son, my better be a stay. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Y'all already knew I was gonna love it. This is like definitely my go-to kind of look. This is definitely an everyday type of look, and I'm really impressed that this is a closure unit. I like the fact that they're thinking more and more every day about how to make units more affordable, more useful, and perfect for the girls who like to save money. So this is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit. This is Nadula's new Bye Bye Knots unit. This unit has a pre-plucked hairline. It has a very natural hairline. This is also a glueless unit, and it also comes with bleached knots, you guys. So that was like the main thing that I loved about this unit, was just how like everything is done for you. If you wanted to do your baby hairs, the baby hairs were already done for you. The hair is curly, it's very low maintenance because this is a water wave unit, and you guys know how much I love water wave units. I'm not really like a Jerry curly type of girl, but this is like the perfect curl pattern to me because it's not such a curly unit. It's not gonna like tangle and mat up on you like a Jerry curly unit would, and then it just looks so natural. Like when you pull the hair back, like you just see how it's like giving scalp all throughout, and I didn't even have to bleach the knots on this. This is just like how the unit comes with the pre-bleached knots, with the baby hairs already done. And you guys did see that I did switch up the baby hairs a little bit, but nothing too much. And it's really just like a good base. So if you want to like play around with it, you can, or you can leave the ones that were in there. The only reason why I switched mine up was just because mine were touching my eyebrows, and we can't have that. Like the baby hairs cannot meet the top part of your eyebrows. If your baby hairs touch your eyebrows, you're out of bounds. That's not it. But yeah, I'm really liking this unit, you guys. I love the density to it as well. It's so full. And I'm gonna put all the hair to the back just so you guys can see what this hair is giving to the back. But like, hello? Like, hello? Excuse me. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending us this amazing unit. I am obsessed with it, and I know a lot of you guys are too. So if you're interested in checking it out yourself, make sure you do click on that link down below and check out that description box where all of the details to this unit will be found. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye. Nadula.